All right, these are the elevators at the Hotel AKA
There's only 3 rooms up here.
in Boston, Massachusetts, Back Bay.
We got some Thyssenkrupps.
Some older ones from the 2000s, probably.
I don't think we'll be able to get up, but we can try.
Yeah, I think these are carded. It's getting pretty dark out and it's snowing.
Cam loves the snow, by the way.
You're done. Who knows how long it'll take to get an elevator?
15 seconds. Attention for you. When will you learn?
Your parents are gonna hear about that one. Got the other one.
Tell me about that one. We'll see what this one's like. Very nice cabs. Alright, Cam.
See, I'm liking the lighting.
See, they're locked. We won't be able to get up here.
Yeah, just go to ground. See what's down there.
Are we stopping? Seriously, these things are busy.
Here, I got it. Going to lobby?
We're going to G.
Okay.
You can get those.
Maybe I'll have a good night.
Here, don't press anything. Let's see if it moves. There's only 2 of them, so I'll get my cab view then until something happens.
50 feet per minute, 3,500. 3,500 seems a little high for these things. Yeah, they're locked.
Oh, well, we're going somewhere.
Just the lobby. Let's get out.
All right then. 3,500 pounds.